Make mouth-watering Bharwa Baigan with just a scan in Wi-Fi-enabled LG Scan to cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select Bharwa Baigan from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. Pre-prepare the stuffing. In a MWS glass bowl, add oil, onions, tomatoes and all spices. Mix them well. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and microwave at 100% for 3 minutes. Keep this bowl aside. Now, slit the baigans crossways with the stems intact. In a MWS glass bowl, add slit baigans and sprinkle some water and cover. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, remove the bowl from microwave oven and add the stuffing to the baigans. Now keep the baigans on the tawa and drizzle a few drops of oil. Then keep tawa on the high rack inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, turn over the baigans. Then keep tawa on the high rack inside the microwave oven and press start. Your mouth-watering Bharwa Baigan made with the LG Scan to cook charcoal microwave oven is ready to be relished. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan to cook microwave oven.